Okay. So, we're ranking Marvel projects from phase 1 to phase 4. So we have the movies, the Disney Plus series, the one-shots, and the special presentations. So stuff like the Netflix series will not be here. The Agent Carter series won't be here. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. won't be in here. Inhumans won't be in here. Basically, just the things that are confirmed Marvel Cinematic Universe. From phase 1 to phase 4. So yeah, let's look at the tier list. So, we have the tier list here. I want to point out that some, not all, but most of them, the tier names were, I guess, created maybe by the Super Carlin brothers. They did a whole ranking of Marvel movies and everything, and a lot of these were the names for the tiers that they used. So, yeah. Up here at the top, we have Marvelous, which is the S tier. Top tier, best Marvel movies ever. Then we have Hella Awesome, which is the A tier. Then we have Low-Key Good, which is the B tier. Then we have Credible Hulk, which is the C tier. Then we have Iron Meh, which is the D tier. Then we have Thorable, which is the F tier. And then we have the Snapped tier, which is the I haven't seen it tier. And I have the movies here in release order. Phase 1 movies are red. Phase 2 movies are black. Phase 3 ones are blue. Phase 4 are purple. And the one-shots and the specials are yellow. Yeah. So, here we go. Up first we have Iron Man. I'm going to put Iron Man in the B tier. I'm not a particular fan of Iron Man, but the first Iron Man movie was pretty good. Like, it wasn't great, but it was good. Like, so, yeah, B tier. Then we have the Incredible Hulk, which is going to go in the Snapped tier. I have not seen Incredible Hulk. It was on Netflix in Canada for a while, and I never got around to doing it, and now it's not there anymore. So I'm like, I'm not paying money to watch this movie, because I don't particularly care. So, it's going in the Snap tier. Then we have Iron Man 2. I'm going to put Iron Man 2 in the C tier, Credible Hulk, because it's fine. It's not great. Like, it is what it is. Then we have Thor. I really liked the Thor movie, but I don't think I liked it enough to put it in awesome. So I think I'm going to put it in good. Yeah. Then we have Captain America, the First Avenger. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think I gotta put it in the D tier. It was meh. Like, it wasn't great. Honestly, kind of boring. Yeah. Then we have the Avengers movie. Oh gosh. Where do I want to put that? I'm debating between A and B. I think I'm going to put it in A. I really loved the first Avengers movie. I really do. So yeah, it's going to go in A. Then we have Iron Man 3. And I think that's going to go right next to Captain America First Avenger. It's one of the Iron Man movies that I genuinely don't remember what happened in it. Which means I could probably put it in Thorable or haven't seen it, but it's going in meh. It's going in meh. Because why not? Then we have Thor, The Dark World. Yeesh. This one was just a big pile of yikes. But it was still kind of entertaining. So I'll put it in Iron Meh. Then we have Captain America, The Winter Soldier, which is so much better than First Avenger. I'm going to put it in S. Maybe an unpopular opinion. I don't care. I'm putting it in S. Then we have Guardians of the Galaxy. Oof. Yikes. I'm going to put it in meh. I'm putting it in meh. It's an unpopular opinion. People love the Guardians movies. I don't particularly care about them. I will say that upon rewatch, they were better than I remembered, which is why they're in meh and not in Thorable. So yeah. Then we have Avengers Age of Ultron. Again, another one that I feel like is an unpopular opinion. I actually enjoyed it, but I'm going to put it in C because, let's be real, that's kind of where it belongs. And then Ant-Man. Really liked Ant-Man. I'm going to put it in the B tier. I'm going to put it in low-key good because it was good. Yeah. Then we have Captain America Civil War. Again, another fantastic movie. I love it. It's going in the S tier because it's amazing. I love it. Then we have Doctor Strange. I'm debating between hella awesome and low-key good. I'm going to put it in low-key good because, yeah, it was good. Then we have Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Yay! More Guardians. Where do I want to put that? Do I want to put it beside... Yeah, I'm going to put it in Iron Meh. Guardians 1 and Guardians 2 are basically the same movie. Things that worked in Guardians 1 didn't work in Guardians 2, and things that worked in Guardians 2 didn't work in Guardians 1. Either way, they are both meh. Then we have Spider-Man Homecoming, I believe. Yes, Spider-Man Homecoming. I'm going to put Spider-Man Homecoming in hella awesome because it was hella awesome. I really love Homecoming. Honestly, I do. Yeah. Then we have Thor Ragnarok. Fun. I'm gonna put it in Iron Meh. It's going in Iron Meh. I don't care. I don't care. Then we have Black Panther. This is interesting. Where am I going to put Black Panther? I'm going to put it in low-key good. Yeah. I'm putting it in low-key good. It was good. It was good. Then we have Avengers Infinity War. Okay, so this is one where when it came to the battle between Infinity War and Endgame, I was team Infinity War was worse. Yeah, I bet you weren't expecting that part. But upon rewatch, I was like, maybe I judged it too harshly. But yeah, Avengers Infinity War is gonna go in the S tier. No, seriously, I rewatched Infinity War and I was like, okay, like I actually really love this movie. Like they pulled off almost an impossible feat, and yeah, it's in the marvelous tier for sure. Then we have Ant-Man and the Wasp. Oof, oof. I'm gonna put Ant-Man and the Wasp in Incredible Hulk because it wasn't as good as Ant-Man. It really wasn't, but it just like there were things that I enjoyed about it, but ultimately it's just like whatever. It's fine. It's middle of the road. Oh, then we have Captain Marvel. I don't hate Captain Marvel. I feel like Thorable's not going to have any. Should I put it there? Should I? No, I'm going to put it in Iron Man. It's just... It's meh. Now we have Avengers Endgame. Ooh. Do I put it in Marvelous next to Infinity War? I love it. I do. It's just... I don't know. The time traveling, timey-wimey stuff doesn't register as good as it did when I watched it. You know what? I'm gonna put it in the A tier. I'm putting it in hella awesome because I don't know. I don't think it belongs up in the marvelous tier. If you asked me before I did all this rewatching, I would have had it in the marvelous tier, and I would have had Infinity War in the hella awesome tier. Funny how things work out. Spider-Man Far From Home. I'm gonna put it in low-key good. Like, it was good. It just wasn't great. Like, it is what it is. WandaVision. Now, if you know me at all, and if you've seen any of my videos, you know exactly where WandaVision is going. It is going in the marvelous tier. It's going in the S tier, guys. It's going in the S tier. I love WandaVision. Like, WandaVision is one of those series that it gets better the more you watch it. Oh, yes, WandaVision. Marvelous tier. Then we have Falcon and Winter Soldier. Well, we went from WandaVision to Falcon and Winter Soldier. Do I put it in Thorable? Because you sit with it long enough and it starts to look that way. I'm going to put it in Iron Man, though. I think there were things about Falcon and Winter Soldier that worked. But there was a lot that didn't. So, it's going in Iron Man. Loki. Should I put Loki in Loki good? Oh, it's tempting. It's tempting. For real. It's tempting to put it here. But I'm putting in hella awesome. I am. It's a really fun series. I'm putting it there. Now we have Black Widow. Okay. This is like really painful because when I saw Black Widow, and it might have been the hype and the excitement and the 9,000 delays it went through, I really loved it. And then I sat with it for a few years now. I feel like I can't put it anywhere but the Credible Hulk tier. It should have been a great movie. It should have. It was not. And it makes me sad because I wanted it to be good. And it should have been good. And why was it not good? Yeah, it's going in the C tier. Then we have What If. Now, What If is a challenge because the episodes were all over the place. Some were really good, some were really bad, some were meh. So it's like, where do I put it? Because the series as a whole is so different. I think I'm going to put it in Hella Awesome. I really do. Because I really, really enjoyed most of the episodes. Yeah. So it's going in Hella Awesome. Then we have Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. I'm going to put it in low-key good. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like low-key good. I was debating between Incredible Hulk or low-key good, but I think I really love like the way it looked and like the martial arts style of fighting. I think some things could have been done better, but ultimately low-key good is where it's going. The Eternals. Oh boy. I don't want to put it in Thorable because I don't think it was that bad. I think there were things that worked and things that did not work. I don't know. Do I want to put it here? Do I want to put it here? And I'm going to put it in... You know what? I'm doing it. I'm putting it in Thorable. Because I look back on it and I'm like... It was such a long movie. It was such a long movie. And I feel like nothing happened. Like, it looked amazing. But I feel like nothing happened. So, it's going in Thorable. But I also feel like I have to put something in Thorable because it's there. Hawkeye. Oh, gosh. I'll put Hawkeye in the low-key good tier. Because it was good. Like, it was enjoyable. And I enjoyed it. So, it's going there. Ooh, Spider-Man No Way Home. I like to call this the movie that does fan service right. It's going in the S tier. It's going in the Marvelous tier because I felt like it did everything right. Fan service has a way of crumbling in the end. But No Way Home made it work. And yeah, I really enjoyed that. So it's going in Marvelous. Then we got Moon Knight. Oh, goodness. I'm going to put Moon Knight Incredible Hulk. I think it's going in the C tier. I think, like, it's a fun series, and the longer I sit with it, the more I enjoy it. But ultimately, don't know if I care. Then we have Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. Now, I could put this in the Marvelous tier. I really had fun with it. And it also kind of did fan service. Not as well, I think, as No Way Home did. But There was fan service, and I did enjoy it. But I don't know if it's worthy of being in the Marvelous tier. I think I gotta put it in hella awesome. But it's like close to the Marvelous tier. But it's like hella awesome instead. Miss Marvel. Oh goodness. I enjoyed Miss Marvel. I just don't know how much I enjoyed Miss Marvel. I think I'm gonna put Miss Marvel in Incredible Hulk. I think it was a fun series. The potential was there. It just didn't work as well as I wanted it to, I guess. I don't know. Oh, then we got Thor Love and Thunder. Fun stuff. This is genuinely the movie where I'm like, this is time I'm never getting back. There was a lot of things that I was looking forward to in this movie, and I feel like they failed at all of it. So, it is going in Thorable! Thor Love and Thunder is going in Thorable. I didn't plan this, guys. That was Super Carlin Brothers. Yeah. She-Hulk Attorney at Law. It felt like 6... No, it was 9 episodes. Right, it was 9 episodes, because I was wondering why is it 9 episodes? The show... the show was so... It was a hot mess. It's going to Thorable. It can't go anywhere else, honestly. Then we have Black Panther Wakanda Forever, the most recent one. Oh. I enjoyed it. I didn't feel like I wasted my life watching it, so there's that. I'm gonna put it in... I'm gonna put it in low-key good. I don't know. I feel like... yeah, it's there. It's like on the same level as the first Black Panther. So it's there. Now we're into the one-shots. Yay! Fun stuff. Then we have The Consultant. I'm going to be honest. I gotta put it in Thorable. Truly. I do. There was nothing in this! Oh, okay. Then we have a funny thing happen on the way to Thor's hammer. Now, this one was fun. I loved this one. And I put it in hella awesome. Maybe an unpopular opinion. But I'm putting it there because I love Coulson and this was Coulson being awesome. And I enjoyed that. Oh, then we have items 47. I put item 47 in Iron Man. Because at least stuff was happening. Which is more than I can say for The Consultant. So, yeah. Ooh, the Agent Carter one-shot. Now, I could put it in Marvelous, y'all. I could. Because I love Agent Carter. But I'm going to put it right here. Next to a funny thing happened on the way to Thor's hammer. I love it. All Hail the King. Alright. I'm putting this one Incredible Hulk. Go Incredible Hulk. Don't go messing around. It's in Go Incredible Hulk. It was fine. Then we got Team Thor Part 1. Yeah, put it in... I'll put it in Iron Man. I don't know. Then we got Team Thor Part 2, and I feel like that's going to go right next to Part 1. Right next to Part 1. I don't care. Then we have Team Daryl. To be honest, I wasn't a huge fan of Daryl. And the Collector's in there too, I think. So, and I'm not a fan of his either. So, it's going in Thorable. It's what it is. Then we have the I Am Groot shorts. It's got to go in Thorable. There's nothing to them except that they're cute. There's nothing to them. Okay. Now we have Werewolf by Night. Okay, finally, something good. Let's do this. Werewolf by Night. I am going to put it in low-key good because it was low-key good. It was good. I enjoyed it. Then we have the Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special, which I feel like I could put in meh. It was better than I expected, but still not great. So that is my tier list. I feel like we have various colors on various tiers, and so I'm happy with it. Yeah, but obviously this is just my tier list. I'm really curious what your tier list looks like. I've put a link to this tier list in the description down below so you can create the tier list for yourself. And let me know in the comments what your tier list looks like. Let me know how wrong you think I am for putting movies and series and specials and one-shots where I put them. Yeah. So let me know all your thoughts about all of this in the comments down below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more Marvel content.